This is the Portfolio Rubric Guidance for Standard K.FL.WC.4. Know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills when encoding words and write legibly. We're going to focus on B. Write a letter and letters for most consonant and short vowel sounds, the phonemes. For this standard, the teacher is going to assess the student's ability to print letters when they hear the sound of the letter. So the teacher will say a letter sound, and the student will write the letter legibly. That means without reversals. The teacher continues with each of the consonants and the short vowel sounds. In the suggested task, you will see an example. The teacher would say, and the student would write the letter M. The student can write a capital M or a lowercase m. It does not have to be on line paper. It just needs to be written legibly. The teacher will continue with all 26 letters. If the student has mastered writing all 26 letters, then the student can begin to be assessed using the first grade standard. In the first grade standard, the teacher is going to say a word and the student is going to write a word. The teacher will say 10 one-syllable words that will include VCVE words, common vowel team words, final Y and R controlled vowel words. We have provided an example word list in the rubric, but this word list is not required. You can use your own list as long as your list includes 10 one-syllable words that have some VCVE words, some common vowel team words, final Y and R controlled vowel words. If you are assessing the kindergarten portion, which will fall in the grading of 0 through 5, you must submit the student's writing product as well as the answer key of what letters did the teacher say in what order did the teacher say the letters. This isn't so the person who scores your student's work will know the correct letters that the student should have written. If you are assessing at level 6 and 7, the first grade standard, if you use the 10 words that are in the rubric, you do not need an answer key. But if you use your own words, then you must upload an answer key with the student's writing product. Once you have assessed this standard, then you will want to score the work. When assessing the kindergarten standard, where the teacher makes the letter sound and the student writes the word, if the student is not able to write any of the 26 letters, that would score a 0. If the student is able to write less than 5 of the letters, that's the score of a level 1. If the student can write 5 out of the 26 letters correctly, then that's a score of a level 2. You will note at level 3, they get 10 out of the 26 correct to get a level 3. So if a student got 7 correct, then that would be the score of a level 2. In order to score a level 3, they receive 10 out of 26 correct. At level 4, the students are able to write at least 20 out of the 26 letters correctly, and that receives the score of a 4. If the student is able to write all 26 letters for each consonant and vowel sound, that's the score of a level 5. If students have mastered this standard at the level 5, then you can assess the first grade standard. If the student is able to spell 8 of the 10 words correctly, that would score a level 6. If a student scores at a level 6, you do not have to upload evidence of the student's work at level 5. If the student is not successful at level 6, then you would upload the work at level 5. If the student is able to spell all 10 words correctly, that would receive the score of a level 7.